Okay, you guys, I'm trying to record this quick before my take profit hits. You feel me? All right, so here we go, guys. You can see right here that the market was very, very choppy this morning. I'm not going to lie. It was judo chop chop. That's because of the manufacturing numbers that came out this morning. But as soon as that news was done, the market calmed itself down, and you can see I'm in profit right now. And so I have two contracts on the big boys right now, and I'm just waiting for this thing to tap right to there. And as soon as it does, then I'll be out of these trades with probably about 2600 on that one. And then this one here, I'm only got one contract on this one, and I'm up 100, $85, 75, whatever. I'm just gonna let it sit for today. This one already smashed TP. Like I said, you can see the judo chop chop right here. It was very, very choppy this morning because the ISM PMI numbers. Now, normally when you're trading in the Forex market, you don't care nothing about those numbers, but in the futures market, you do, because it's related to the NASDAQ, S&P 500, and the Dow, or the US 30. So therefore, yeah, it's chop, 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 and then after that, it's smoothed right on out. And so, yeah, the same thing here. Oh, there we go. I'm up 18. Okay, so it's bouncing back, pulling back a little bit. I'm gonna still let it ride and just leave it there, because as long as the momentum is heading in that direction, little small pullbacks. And this is why you want to use the Hakanashi candles, because what it does, it keeps you from freaking out. You know what I mean? As long as you see them staying in that same zone, let's keep it going. All right, let's keep it going. So no panic there. And the same thing with this one. It's going to take breathers in between. You know, it's going to pull back, take a breather, and then thrust forward. Okay, like it does here. Went up, took a breather, bounced, and kept on going. So I'm done for today, guys, and I will see you during the Asian session. This was during the New York session, so if you weren't in our New York session, make sure to join our New York session so that you can enjoy the fruits of that. But also we have the Asian session available now. All of that is on our website, futurix.com. All right, see you guys in the next video.